Hello everyone, my name is Hiên Anh. I'm 7 years old. Today I would like to tell you about animals. Monkey Jr. Vocab check. The topic animals. This is a bear. This is a deer. This is a fox. This is a wolf. This is a lion. This is a sheep. This is a chicken. This is a turkey. This is a horse. This is a goose. This is a firefly. This is a spider. This is a ladybug. This is a crocodile. This is a armadillo. This is a chipmunk. This is a hedgehog. This is a squirrel.
Hiên Anh, what animal is this?
This is a fox.
What animal is this?
This is a spider.
What animal do you like?
This is a sheep.
What animal do you like?
I like sheep.
Do you like lion?
No, it isn't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.